Hello everyone and welcome. I hope that all is well with you. Thank you for selecting my video. In this video my topic will be affiliate marketing for beginners, where I will give you the facts about affiliate marketing so that you can make a more informed decision whether or not affiliate marketing is right for you. Today, I will shed light on a topic that has revolutionized the way people earn income online, affiliate marketing. In this digital age, the internet has become a vast marketplace, connecting millions of people around the globe. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy that allows beginners to tap into this immense potential and create a sustainable income stream. Affiliate marketing is the art of promoting products or services on behalf of others and earning a commission for every successful referral or sale. It is a win-win situation, benefiting both the affiliate marketer and the merchant. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity and accessibility, making it an ideal starting point for beginners to embark on their online entrepreneurial journey. Why should you consider affiliate marketing as a beginner? The reasons are abundant, and I will outline a few compelling ones for you today. First and foremost, affiliate marketing requires minimal upfront investment. Unlike traditional business models that often demand substantial capital, affiliate marketing allows you to start with minimal financial risk. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn and work hard. This low barrier to entry means that anyone, regardless of their background or financial situation, can participate in affiliate marketing and reap the rewards. Secondly, affiliate marketing offers immense flexibility and freedom. As an affiliate marketer, you have the liberty to choose your working hours, work from anywhere in the world, and be your own boss. The internet never sleeps, meaning that your affiliate marketing business can generate income even while you sleep. Imagine waking up to find that you've earned money overnight, a truly liberating and exciting prospect. Moreover, affiliate marketing provides an opportunity to monetize your passions and interests. Do you have a particular hobby, skill, or area of expertise? With affiliate marketing, you can turn your passion into profit. Whether you love fashion, fitness, technology, or any other niche, there are affiliate programs available in almost every industry. By aligning your marketing efforts with your interests, you can create engaging and authentic content that resonates with your audience, making your affiliate marketing journey all the more enjoyable and rewarding. Another significant advantage of affiliate marketing is its scalability. As your knowledge and experience grow, you can expand your affiliate marketing business and diversify your income streams. By leveraging various marketing channels such as social media, blogging, email marketing, and search engine optimization, you can reach a wider audience and increase your chances of success. Additionally, once you have established a solid foundation, you can explore advanced strategies such as creating your own digital products or building a team of affiliates, allowing you to scale your earnings exponentially. Now that we have explored the numerous benefits of affiliate marketing, let's delve into the practical steps that beginners can take to embark on this exciting journey. The first step is to select a profitable niche. When choosing a niche, consider your interests, expertise, and the market demand. Conduct thorough research to identify profitable affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a wide range of products and services to promote. The next step is to build a platform to connect with your target audience. This can be a website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media profiles. Your platform should serve as a hub for valuable content that educates, informs, and entertains your audience. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing lies in building trust with your audience. By providing value and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche, you will earn the trust of your audience, making them more likely to follow your recommendations and make purchases through your affiliate links. Once you have established your platform, it's time to create compelling and engaging content. Whether it's blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts, focus on delivering high-quality content that addresses the needs and desires of your target audience. Your content should be informative, actionable, and relatable. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content, ensuring that they add value and relevance to your audience. Remember, authenticity is key. Never promote products or services solely for the sake of earning a commission. Your audience's trust is invaluable, and maintaining it should be your top priority. To To drive traffic to your platform and increase your chances of earning commissions, it is essential to master the art of marketing. Learn about search engine optimization, SEO, to rank higher in search engine results. Utilize social media marketing strategies to expand your reach, and explore paid advertising methods such as Google AdWords and Facebook ads. Experiment with different marketing techniques, analyze the results, and optimize your strategies accordingly. The affiliate marketing landscape is dynamic, and staying updated with the latest trends and techniques is crucial to your success. In addition to marketing, it is equally important to track and analyze your results. Use analytics tools to monitor your website traffic, conversion rates, and earnings. By understanding which strategies are working and which ones need improvement, you can refine your approach and maximize your earning potential. Remember, affiliate marketing is a continuous learning process, and embracing a growth mindset is vital for long-term success. Lastly, as an affiliate marketer, never underestimate the power of networking and building relationships. Connect with other affiliate marketers, industry influencers, and merchants in your niche. Attend conferences, join online communities, and engage in meaningful conversations. Collaboration and partnership opportunities may arise, opening doors to new possibilities and revenue streams. By fostering genuine relationships, you can learn from others' experiences, gain valuable insights, and create a strong support network that will propel you towards success. In conclusion, affiliate marketing offers an unparalleled opportunity for beginners to venture into the world of online entrepreneurship. With minimal upfront investment, flexible working hours, and the potential for significant earnings, affiliate marketing has the power to transform your life. By choosing a profitable niche, building a platform, creating compelling content, mastering marketing techniques, analyzing your results, and networking with others, you can pave the way for a successful affiliate marketing career. So, my friends, seize this opportunity, embrace the possibilities, and embark on your affiliate marketing journey. The world is waiting for your unique voice and expertise. Remember, the only limits that exist are the ones we set for ourselves. Dream big, work hard, and let affiliate marketing be the gateway to a brighter future. Thank you again for watching my video. I hope that it inspired you to dream big and to make the decision to pursue your dreams. Remember, success belongs to those who take action. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I'm happy that this video has helped you. Please like, comment, and remember to subscribe, so that more entrepreneurs may be made aware of this valuable content. Until next time, may your affiliate commissions keep rolling in.